How to find cash buyers in seconds. What is up, guys? Zach Ginn here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can instantly find the top cash buyers in seconds, and if you have no money, how you can find the top cash buyers in just mere minutes. Finding cash buyers is just like finding wholesaling deals. You have to be willing to take the action. They just don't come to you instantly, right? So many people think if you just pay for a software, magically dispositions is erased. I hear people tell me all the time, there's no need for dispositions because all you have to do is just use a software. People have said there's no need of acquisitions anymore because you could just close people over text. I've heard people say you don't need to do wholesaling marketing anymore because you could just pay for the lead. Guys, the truth here in wholesaling real estate is if you want the best ROI, return on investment, the strategies that we teach on this YouTube channel and at freewholesaling.com are the ones you can do. I show how anyone basically with no money at all gets started this channel, and basically anyone who's doing a $50,000, $60,000 a month budget to get rich. But we're talking about today the basics. Cash buyers. These are the people buying our wholesaling deals. And the number one secret I have found about how to dispo these deals easily is to just treat the buyers like you treat your motivated sellers. More specifically, on the rapport building stage. You see, most wholesalers treat cash buyers as these unhumanoid robots that are buy, sell, no deal, no deal, good deal. And these are just like dogs or cats that we can just train at a whim, and they're gonna be begging for our real estate deals. The thing is, cash buyers, just like sellers, are people too. And people want to do deals with people that they like. So there is some salesmanship needed to be really good with cash buyers. And the best way to have a good relationship with your cash buyer is by building rapport. So this business, again, is all about relationships. The seller likes you, they go with you versus your competition. The cash buyer likes you, they buy your deal, even if it's not the greatest deal in the world. So how do you build rapport? Well, I'll be honest with you, rapport is not built over text or email. It is built in person and over the phone. Now, in person is obviously best, and if you're locally wholesaling, you're gonna meet your buyer in person, which is great. But over the phone is gonna be your best alternative here. So stop treating your cash buyer like a robot. That's the first part for how to sell your deal quickly, because I'm gonna show you how to get in front of the buyers really quick. But the thing is, if you get in front of the buyers and be like, I have a deal, buy it from me, I'll send you the deal, I'll email it to you, and that, it drives me crazy, guys. Do not get a deal and then just email the buyer the deal. The worst thing you can do is email blast 20, 30, 40,000 buyers and not have good relationships. You only need 5 or 6 really good cash buyers to be having a 6-figure wholesaling business, and maybe 10 for a 7-figure one. That's how important quality is over quantity. So here's the question. How do I find cash buyers in seconds? Well, let's kind of go back here, right? I'm gonna show you how to do it in seconds. You have to pay a little money to get in front of this data, but if you want to find buyers in minutes, and if you're broke and you have no money, this is a great starting point. My number one way to find cash buyers right now with no money at all is just going to the for rent section on Realtor, Craigslist, Facebook. These people are listing the property for rent and they're looking for rental properties. Well, call them up and say, hey, I'm actually not looking to rent out your property, Mr. Landlord, but I'm a wholesaler in the area and I actively get properties under contract that are great rentals. Would you be looking to buy any more? And you start your conversation from there. Heck, you can go to Facebook groups and there's plenty of people saying they're cash buyers. Now, I'm not saying they are cash buyers, they're saying they're cash buyers. So I get so many wholesalers who pretend to be buyers so they can daisy chain and steal your wholesaling deals. So one thing I'll let you know is you have to qualify and properly vet your buyers. Now, in my free wholesaling course and community, freewholesaling.com, we teach exactly how to vet and the right questions to ask. Now, for a quick 15-second vetting process, you want to make sure the cash buyer owns at least 2 properties in their actual name, like they signed the deed physically. You can see the signature and the name match the actual person. If somebody's saying, oh, I'm a cash buyer, and they're 14 years old and their name's John Everett, and you see they give you a property that they own and then a Sally Smith is on the deed, it's probably one of their mentors or someone telling him to go lie to somebody. It's pretty easy to figure out in real estate if you own it or not. Either your name's on the deed or it's not. Now, trusts and stuff, that's a different story, but most of the time, these cash buyers ain't gonna do that. On top of this too, really quick, if you build the relationships, right? We're talking about relationships today. You can go out here and get JV deals where you can just find somebody who has buyers, right? So for example, if you have a really good deal in Florida, you could just send me a wholesaling deal, DM me, message me, put it in the comments below, and my JV team can go reach out to you. And I have a ton of cash buyers in my 8 years of wholesaling real estate experience. So sometimes it's not about finding buyers, but finding somebody who has the buyers and joint venturing. JV contracts are in freewholesaling.com. And then again, one of my favorite ones are title companies. If you have a title company that is a wholesaling friendly title title company, they're probably doing maybe 10, 15 wholesale transactions every single month, not just you, with other wholesalers. They want to get money, right? They want to get that title insurance policy. So if you have a deal and you can't sell it, and hey, I want to use you as the title company to get you this deal, because maybe if I don't get the deal, it goes to a realtor and you don't get the title fees here. Can you help me find some buyers? And maybe the title agent lady's like, hey, you know, I'm gonna call somebody up, and they say, hey, John, you know, I know you closed on a couple wholesale deals. I have another wholesaler's a deal in this area. If you've built a good relationship, remember, relationship with your title lady, she can help you out and throw you a bone. Now, if you want to find buyers in seconds, right? So many people pitch you on these disposition softwares that are $40,000, $50,000, and it's clunky. They don't work in non-disclosure states, and they're stupid expensive. What I recommend is just one software for all. X Leads, right? That's where you get your leads. That's where you get the unlimited free skip tracing, your CRM, your dialer, your texting, and your disposition software. If you have the Pro plan, which starts at $159 a month for the annual plans, you can get access to our investor leads tab, which is right here. So if you go to lead pipes, go to investor leads here, and we do like Kansas City, Missouri. Now, if you have the annual plan for the Pro, you actually get the landlord tabs and everything unlocked, especially with the X plan, but you're going to be able to go out here and just instantly find the top buyers, all skip traced like any expensive disposition software. And what's instantly going to do here is show you all the flippers in the area. So this is where other softwares for data don't have this. Now, this also has your wholesaling leads, right? Your high equities, vacants, all that stuff's in there too, but that is under the property leads tab. This is investor leads. And people like, so one of the buyers here, like South KC Properties, instantly we've analyzed that this buyer right here has flipped over 28 properties this year. And if you click it right there, they're instantly going to be skip traced live. So right here, and that's their phone number. Simple as that. Now you can go inside Ninja Mode or CRM and blast them out and text them. So if you go right here to the Ninja Mode tab, you can go any of our dispositions workflows, and heck, even something like this, where you can just add the tag for that buyer. In the Dispo tab, we're instantly going to send them a text. We're going to instantly send them the text to see if they're interested in selling. Now, again, it's not the goal to go text out your buyers for relationships, but if you're going to go text thousands of these buyers out, find the ones that are interested via text and then put them on the phone and build that relationships and that rapport over the phone. Also, if you're going to go to the property leads tab, let's say you have X leads and you don't have the Pro plan or the X plan, you could still find buyers just with the basic plan, right? Because everything's skip traced. Let's go to Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and all I'm going to do is go find the cash buyers, which is right here, and we're going to search it. And this is going to be a list of all the people buying properties for cash. Now, we got to filter that out a little more. So what we're going to do here is find buyers that are buying properties for maybe max 300,000. They're buying single family properties, right? Make sure they're buying in a business. And most importantly, the sale date, they bought it in the past 3 months, right? A very active buyer in Milwaukee. Then boom, the cash sale list pops up here. We get their information right there, skip traced, and we can start finding buyers with just the basic plan right there, because all the LLCs are skip traced there too. X Leads has one of the best LLC and corporate skip tracing out there, on top of having the best skip tracing in general for motivated sellers. So that's how you instantly find these buyers really, really quick. Now, what's the script to call up these buyers? Now, if you're doing like the cash sales on the basic plan, so let them know 2 things, because this is what your cash buyer is only going to care about. Who are you and how you can help them out. Same exact thing with your sellers. It's the same exact thing they want to know. Who are you? My name's Zach. I'm a local wholesaler in the area, and I'm seeing if you're looking to buy any more properties so you can make money on your rentals or on your flips. Now, when you're talking to cash buyers and calling them up, it's very important to understand that cash buyers are either in 1 or 2 categories. Category 1, they are either a landlord. They are looking to buy properties for cash from you and give you your assignment fee. This is why we create relationships with them, because they're giving us the assignment fee. They're looking to be a landlord and to rent out more properties, or they're looking to go out here and flip houses. Now, if they're looking to be a landlord, I would go back into investor leads here, go to the landlord tab and reach out to all the landlords there. But the flippers tab, this is why Next Leads we have flipper and landlords. You're going to call them up and say, hey, I recently saw you just bought this property and you're flipping it. I'm a local wholesaler, seeing if you're looking for another flip. I always get properties under contract all the time in said area. Then just have a conversation, go through the vetting process at wholesaling.com, and you instantly found a ton of buyers really quick. Guys, let me know how you find your cash buyers, or if there's anything I'm leaving out. This is one of the most tried and true ways that I've sold thousands of wholesaling real estate deals. Quick, easy, and simple. Guys, if you got any value from this video, do me a favor, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. This is Zach Ginn signing out. Have a blessed one.